Security service. These are the services that are used for maintaining security. These security services can be implemented in various layers of the OSI model. Security services can be divided into 5 major categories. Authentication. This is a very basic and easy service to implement. In authentication, the system, both sender and receiver, identifies the user first. Only the user authorized to enter the system can use it. This can be done using basic password protection. Access control. In an organization, various levels of employees have various levels of access to the system. For example, in a company, a software engineer has limited access to the system as compared to the product manager, and the product manager has limited access as compared to the CTO of the company. Confidentiality. This is one of the 3 pillars of the security model CIA: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality means that the data is shared between a sender and receiver should be confidential to them only. No third party should be able to read the data. Integrity. This is the 2nd pillar of the CIA. Here, integrity means that no third party should be able to modify the data is shared between the sender and the receiver. Non-repudiation. So, let us say that the sender sent some data to the receiver and the receiver has received the data as well. Now, the receiver refuses to accept that the data has been received. So, there should be a way to clarify and prove that the receiver has received the data. The same is the case otherwise. So, when there are means to identify this in the security model, it is called non-repudiation. So, these were some of the major security services. Now, let us discuss the security mechanisms. Benefits of the OSI model. The OSI model, with its layered approach, offers several key benefits in network design and security. Modular engineering. The OSI model breaks down network communication into 7 manageable layers, each with specific functions. This modularity allows for easier troubleshooting and understanding of network processes. Interoperability. By standardizing network functions into distinct layers, the OSI model facilitates interoperability between various hardware and software components. Scalability. The layered approach allows networks to be scalable. New technologies and protocols can be easily integrated without disrupting the entire system. Flexibility. Each layer can evolve independently, offering flexibility in terms of technology and application upgrades.